Hello, and welcome to the New Jersey Center for Teaching and Learning's online courses for students. High school mathematics courses are available in Pre-Algebra, Algebra 1, Geometry, Algebra 2, and Precalculus. Each course covers a full year of content, with the only exception being our Pre-Algebra course. This course is actually a combination of our middle school mathematics courses, which make it cover topics that could take more than a full school year to complete. It focuses on grades 6, 7, and 8 topics of numeracy, as well as algebraic and graphical representations of linear relationships. All future study of mathematics require a full understanding of these topics, which include numbers and operations, scientific notation, expressions, solving and graphing equations and inequalities, ratios and proportions, percentages, and probability and statistics. Our Algebra 1 course builds on the knowledge of numeracy and algebraic thinking learned in middle school mathematics or pre-algebra to represent linear, quadratic, and exponential functions both algebraically and graphically. Topics include numbers, operations, and expressions, equations, graphing linear equations, systems of linear equations, solving and graphing linear inequalities, absolute value equations and inequalities, quantitative reasoning, functions, exponential functions, polynomials, quadratic equations, nonlinear functions, and data and statistical analysis. Our geometry course provides a background in Euclidean geometry while focusing on the use of deductive reasoning and proofs to develop a conceptual understanding of geometric properties. Algebraic thinking is also used in this course to analyze and solve various problems and/or situations encountered. Topics include points, lines, and planes, angles, parallel lines, triangles, similar triangles in trigonometry, congruent triangles, circles, analytic geometry, transformations, quadrilaterals, area of figures, three-dimensional geometry, and probability. Our Algebra 2 course was designed to have students learn about various types of functions and analyze their behavior. How are functions similar? How are they different? Are there any patterns between the algebraic and graphical representations of the functions? These are just a few of the many questions that will be answered in this course. Topics include overview of functions, linear and absolute value functions, quadratic equations and complex numbers, quadratic functions, polynomial functions, rational functions, radical functions and rational exponents, exponential and logarithmic functions, sequences and series, trigonometric functions, and probability and statistics. Our pre-calculus course consists of various geometric and algebraic concepts that prepare students for the level of mathematical rigor required for calculus. We continue to apply the principles of mathematics in the areas of graphical analysis, graphing functions and equations, solving equations, and writing algebraic proofs. So there is that connection between algebra and geometry happening. The proof reasoning that they were learning about in geometry is being applied in an algebraic sense in this course. Topics in our pre-calculus course include functions, polynomial and rational functions, exponential and logarithmic functions, conic sections, trigonometric functions, analytic trigonometry, polar coordinates and parametric equations, matrices and systems, vectors, and sequences and series. Students who are enrolled in our courses will learn the content through a combination of direct instruction videos and formative assessment questions. And the cool thing about it is that the formative assessment questions offer immediate feedback to the students, and they provide an explanation of how the problem was solved if it's needed. Extra practice through the use of classwork homework problems are also available for use, complete with an answer key. All of our online courses consist of assignments in various formats that are graded. The mastery exercises are a set of multiple choice questions that are being pulled from a question bank. These assignments can be attempted multiple times with the highest score counting towards their grade. Virtual lab simulations allow for the continuation of social constructivism and the real-world application of mathematical concepts in an online environment. They're provided in every module or unit in the course, and they are also discovery-based, which promote meaning and purpose to the content that's being learned. The online module or unit exams assess the knowledge learned in each module or unit. They include both multiple choice and free response questions. And that's a summary of all of our high school mathematics courses that are available online. We look forward to working with you as you continue to learn and explore mathematics in preparation for calculus.